All right, here we are live here at the Under the Cherry Moon party. First Avenue, GG, High Top is going down. Purple Funk SF. I got some fans from Sacramento. They're gonna introduce themselves.
My name is Annie from SAC.
Cat from SAC, Annie. So, thinking about Under the Cherry Moon, like, what's a character in the film that you really identify with, that you like feel connected to?
Honestly, Tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah, I don't know. He's just the clown, you know, on the side. I don't know. I just feel like I relate to him. I'd love to say Prince, but never will I ever be on him. So I'm gonna take a step back and say Tricky.
Cool.
I'll never be on Prince.
Cool. Cat, what character do you like identify with?
Mrs. Wellington. She knew what she wanted and she got it. So.
Right. If you think about the movie, she's the one who won in the end, right? She got everything she wanted.
Right? I love that.
Anyway, it's wonderful to have y'all out here. What's a highlighter of something that you're looking forward to for the evening?
They look just to be around people that love him as much as I do.
I know.
And feel the void that I feel, and just to be around that energy. I just feel lost without them. And I just want to be around people that feel the same way, so I can feel the void with happiness and satisfaction.
Right, because the music is going to live on. Kat, how about yourself? Because there's some people, Kat, we've been like in the scene almost 20 years since the cast has been here, so it's really cool. Anyway, Kat, Annie from SAC, doing it big. Hey, show us this outfits that you got. Y'all doing it big in the black and white.
All right.
Hell yeah.